Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on TesterUp account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open your web browser and type in TesterUp.com in it. Also make sure to log into your TesterUp account like you normally do. Once you are done, click on the settings button at the top of the screen. Now, go to the right hand side where it says avatar and click on choose a file. Go ahead and select a picture you'd like to update for yourself from your library and double click it to upload your picture on your avatar option. Once you are done uploading your picture, you will be able to see it on your avatar. That's how easily you can change your profile picture anytime you want on TesterUp.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.